Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, as you know, we are discussing our chapter number 3, that is human reproduction. ठीक है जी, today we will discuss its last topic, lactation and twins. ठीक है जी, with this our chapter will be over. Now first is lactation. What is lactation? Lactation means the production of milk in the female's breast following the birth of the young one is known as the lactation. ठीक है जी. Next is milk secretion. Students, during pregnancy, the breast enlarges in size due to the growth of the mammary glands. Secretion and storage of milk begins after the birth of the young one, usually within 24 hours, under the influence of hormone known as the prolactin. And after that, the milk will let down. The actual letdown of the milk is known as the milk letdown, actual releasing of milk. ठीक है जी. Let down of milk requires the presence of hormone known as the oxytocin. With the help of oxytocin, the ducts of the mammary glands undergoes contraction of smooth muscles that help in releasing of milk. Now students, secretion of prolactin and oxytocin depends on the suckling stimuli, and suckling stimuli is produced by the infant. ठीक है जी, it is produced by the infant on the nipples of the breast. Thus, lactation is controlled by the demand of the milk. Next, composition of milk. Composition of milk. Milk contains proteins. Which proteins? Casein and lactoalbumin. It contains sugar, that is known as lactose. It contains small amount of fat. It contains vitamins, minerals, water, but it is poor in iron. It contains small quantity of vitamin C. A nursing mother may release 1 to 2 liter of milk daily, and also depend upon the demand, means sucking demand of the young one. Now what are the benefits of the milk? Milk can fulfill the entire requirement of the infant for growth as well as for energy. Milk can help in gaining weight of the baby up to 20 to 30 per gram per day. 20 to 30 gram per day increase in weight due to the mother's milk. It is also provide adequate nourishment to the infant. Breastfeeding protects the infant from the bacterial infections and other intestinal disorders. Next is students, colostrum. What is colostrum? It is very important from the examination point of view. After birth, the breast releases first milk, but that is not a first milk. It is a very thin yellowish fluid, and it contains cells of alveoli and rich in protein but lack fats. ठीक है जी. It is rich in antibodies. It transfers antibodies from the mother to the baby. So colostrum is a very important for young one, or it is the first milk. Now students, next topic is twins. What are twins? Students, during evolution, natural selection has strongly favored the birth of one child at one time in human. A single baby tends to be healthier with the better chance of survival, and a mother can also bring up and look after a single baby better and more easily. But sometimes one human produces two babies at a time. This is called twinning. This is called twinning, or the young ones are known as the twins. Students, twins are of two types, identical and fraternal. What are identical twins? Sometimes early blastomeres separate before their fate is fixed, and each can develop into a complete young one. Both the young one formed in this manner have the same genetic makeup Why they have the same genetic makeup? Because they have the genes of the same egg and the same sperm. They are always of the same sex. Identical twins are of the same sex. They are known as the identical twins. Next is the fraternal twins. But one thing more here, students. Sometimes the two blastomeres cannot be separated from each other. They are partially separated. Then they are known as the co-joined twins. Co-joined twins means they are joined with each other at some place. Next is fraternal twins. At times, sometimes at times, the ovary produces two eggs which may release simultaneously, and both are fertilized by separate sperm, and each zygote develops into a young one. Such young ones are genetically different from each other and they are of different sex. Different sex, maybe possibility they are of a same sex, but they are of different sex. They may be of they are non-identical and they are known as the fraternal twins. Now last is developmental disorder. Developmental disorder. First developmental disorder is amyloidosis. This is the inflammation of amnion due to the infection resulting from the premature rupture of the amnion. It leads to the neonatal infection. मतलब बच्चे को बर्थ से पहले ही infection हो जाती है. Next is abortion. Abortion means escape of an embryo prior to the stage of viability. Viability की stage कितनी होती है? 20 weeks of gestation. ठीक है जी. Occurring by natural cause. It is different from premature birth. Premature birth क्या होता है? Premature birth is born after the stage of immobility but before full term. Last is teratogeny. Teratogeny means malformed infect due to the use of tobacco, alcohol and some drugs by the pregnant woman. ठीक है जी. With this our chapter human reproduction is completed. Now today we will start a little bit of chapter number 4, that is reproductive health. हाँ जी, reproductive health. Students, in this chapter we will discuss about the reproductive health problems and strategies and human population explosion, birth control methods, sexually transmitted disease, infertility and amniocentesis. Now reproductive health. What is the meaning of reproductive health? Literally the term reproductive health refers to the healthy reproductive organs with normal function, or in broader perspective we can say that it also includes the emotional and social aspects of reproduction. According to WHO, according to the World Health Organization, the reproductive health is defined as the total well-being in physical, emotional and behavioral social aspects of reproduction. वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अकॉर्डिंग रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ का मतलब ये नहीं है कि रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स ही नॉर्मल फंक्शन में काम करें. उसके अकॉर्डिंग बॉडी की फिजिकल फिटनेस, इमोशनल बिहेवियर और सोशल एस्पेक्ट्स भी अच्छे होने ज़रूरी हैं. अकॉर्डिंगली ए सोसाइटी कैन ओनली बी टर्म्ड एज रिप्रोडक्टिवली हेल्दी. किसी सोसाइटी को हम रिप्रोडक्टिवली हेल्दी तब ही बोलेंगे इफ़ द पीपल हैव फिजिकल एंड फंक्शनली नॉर्मल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन्स as well as normal emotional and behavior interactions among them in all sex related aspects. I hope you understand the meaning of reproductive health. Now what are the reproductive health problems? Reproductive health problems. Various problems of reproductive health in human beings occurs. Few of them we are discussing here. First is overpopulation. Honey, students, as you know, population is expanding day by day, particularly in the developing countries like India. It has a direct bearing on the reproductive health of the society. Fast increasing human population has a great proportion of young individuals who determine the size, health and prosperity of the future. These young individuals belong to different age groups such as puberty, adolescent and early childhood. Students, health and education of these young individuals, चाहे वो मेल है चाहे वो फीमेल है, चाहे उसकी एज मैरिजेबल है चाहे नहीं है, चाहे वो चाइल्ड बियरिंग कैपेसिटी है वुमेन की, तो दीज आर द क्रूशियल कंसर्न्स फॉर द ओवरऑल रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ। तो ये कुछ हमारे इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट हैं ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन के, ह्यूमन पॉपुलेशन में रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ के। तो जो हमारी कुछ रिपोर्ट्स हैं, अब की रिसेंट रिपोर्ट्स हैं, वो क्या बताती हैं कि सेकेंडरी स्कूल्स में अभी भी हमारी कंट्री, इंडिया जैसी कंट्री में, कि जो कि गर्ल्स की जो एडमिशन है स्कूल्स में वो बहुत कम हो रही है। ठीक है जी। तो दूसरा क्या है, कॉम्प्लिकेशंस आ रही हैं प्रेगनेंसी में, चाइल्ड बर्थ एंड अनटाइमली अबॉर्शंस, दीज आर द मेजर रीजन्स ऑफ फीमेल्स डेथ बिटवीन द एज ऑफ 15 to 19। 15 से 19 साल की उम्र में फीमेल्स की डेथ हो रही है। दूसरा क्या है, द इंसिडेंस ऑफ इन्फेक्शन ड्यू टू सेक्शुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज मैक्सिमम इन यंग वन इंडिविजुअल्स बिटवीन द एज ऑफ 15 to 24। ठीक है जी। तो इन्हीं ऊपर वाले 3 कंसर्न्स को अगर हम देखें तो देन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इनिशिएटेड ए नंबर ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम। इन फैक्ट इंडिया वॉज द फर्स्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड टू इनिशिएट एक्शन प्लान्स प्रोग्राम्स एट नेशनल लेवल फॉर वट, फॉर अटेनिंग द रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ एज ए सोशल गोल। फैमिली प्लानिंग वॉज वन सच प्रोग्राम इनिशिएटेड इन 1951 टू कंट्रोल द ओवर पॉपुलेशन। ठीक है जी। नेक्स्ट है अवेयरनेस अबाउट रिप्रोडक्शन। एट प्रेजेंट अगर हम आज देखें, मच मोर इम्प्रूव्ड प्रोग्राम्स इन रिप्रोडक्शन रिलेटेड एरियाज आर इन ऑपरेशन। बहुत सारे रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम्स चल रहे हैं। दीज आर पॉपुलरली टर्म्ड एज रिप्रोडक्टिव एंड चाइल्ड हेल्थ प्रोग्राम, और वी कैन से RCH प्रोग्राम्स। तो ऐसे प्रोग्राम्स के 2 एम्स होते हैं। One is creating awareness among the people but various reproduction related aspects. Secondly, उनको facilities देना, they providing facilities and support for building up a reproductive healthy society. ठीक है जी। तो ये 2 एस्पेक्ट्स होते हैं RCH प्रोग्राम्स के। टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस, तो लोगों में अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने के लिए रिप्रोडक्शन के बारे में और रिप्रोडक्शन से रिलेटेड एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में गवर्नमेंट और नॉन गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस बहुत सारे स्टेप्स ले रही हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑडियो विजुअल एंड प्रिंट मीडिया। इक्वल इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ द रोल ऑफ द पेरेंट्स। सिमिलरली किसी को गाइड करने में पेरेंट्स का, उसके क्लोज रिलेटिव्स का, टीचर्स का और फ्रेंड्स का ज़्यादा रोल होता है। ठीक है जी। नॉलेज अमंग द कॉमन मासेस स्पेशली इन द यंग पीपल्स, दिस नॉलेज मस्ट बी इम्पॉर्टेंट इन द यंग पीपल्स। नेक्स्ट इज द सेक्स एजुकेशन। Students, introduction of sex education in schools is the another program to set up to giving right information to the young minds about the reproductive organs, accessory organs of reproduction, secondary sexual characters, adolescence, and the related changes at the age of puberty. It also gives education for the safe and hygienic sexual practices. This knowledge will give them from myths and misconceptions about sex related aspects and also help them to lead a reproductively healthier life later. Next one is knowledge about birth control. Next is knowledge about birth control methods and care of mother and child. Imparting knowledge students about the birth control methods that are available in the market or care of pregnant mothers, postnatal care to the mother and the child, importance of birth feeding to the newly born babies, equality of sex, etc. All these things, they must be known by the couples and the people of the society, ठीक है, or the marriageable group. This is the another goal of the RCH program. Such knowledge would help them to bring up a socially conscious, healthy family of desired size. ठीक है जी। Last one are the social evils. What is social evil? Social evil means creating knowledge, creating awareness about the consequences of uncontrolled population growth and social evils. What are social evils? Sex abuse, sex-related crimes, use of drugs, tobacco and alcohol, etc. among young people. In particular is the important aspect of RCH program. Such an awareness among people will help to build up a reproductively society. So these are the problems related to the reproduction. Students, next we will switch over in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.